Well, my name is Chelsea Ainsworth. My pronouns are she, her, and I am one of the co-directors of Dual Rivet. And I'm Jessica Smith, pronoun she, they, and I am the other co-director of Dual Rivet.
Yo soy Chelsea, es una de las señoritas, y la segunda es, your first name again? Jessica.
Jessica.
Y ambas son coreógrafas de la obra que se va a presentar. Es la primera vez que se presenta su compañía Dual Rivet, fundada en 2017 en la Ciudad de México.
Yes, it is our first time, and we are so excited.
Es la primera vez y estamos muy emocionadas.
Yeah, so Bear, the piece we're presenting, started as a film. The name came along with the theme of the piece, which is about the memories and ideas and experiences that we hold onto in our bodies and sometimes have a hard time letting go of. So the weight that we carry or the weight that we bear, which can be sometimes very heavy.
El título, no solo es, la palabra no solo significa oso, sino que significa cargar. Tiene que ver con el tema y el nombre, por lo tanto, nació junto. Tiene que ver con los pesos que uno carga en su cuerpo.
Yeah, and the movement is really, because it came from film and it's now coming to stage, some of it is very sensitive and sentimental, and some of it is really physical and dynamic.
El movimiento, una vez que pasó al escenario, es por un lado sensible y sentimental, y por otro lado puede tener momentos muy físicamente activos, fuertes.
This image is kind of the idea of someone's life on loop, the repetition that you go through every day, and also kind of a marker of time passing.
Representa las cosas que repetimos en la vida, como todos los días, que es algo como un círculo, y también representa el movimiento o el paso del tiempo.
Yeah, Jess and I both have this liking to use kind of old-timey music and old-timey costumes, and we like this feeling of like the sentimental kind of old school vibe. And the costumes were also chosen because we wanted these two characters to either be the same person or very much look alike. So the costuming and the set design is all based around a time period that we both really enjoy.
Sí, el vestuario y los objetos deliberadamente han sido escogidos como una obra, como piezas sentimentales o nostálgicas, diría yo, y a ambas les gusta el uso de este tipo de materiales y disfrutan esa época que representan.
Yeah, I think it's interesting. There's a bit of a past and a present in the same piece. So a lot of the music was 30s, 40s era, and there's something about the weight of that time that felt relevant to what we were talking about, even though it's something very similar to what we're feeling in this present day. So they kind of felt like similar worlds, though they were in different times, if that makes sense. And speaking about...
Son como objetos del pasado que están en el presente, que es un pasado que tiene mucho peso en este momento. Y también, and also.
And what we're going through now without being so pointed and on the nose about it, so we can speak to a time in the past that is allowing us to speak about the present.
Que como no es algo tan puntual como la punta de la nariz, pues, no es algo tan puntual, nos permite un cierto rango de hablar del pasado en este momento. Sí.
Yeah, I think that the suitcase can be a metaphor for a lot of different things, but the one that feels the most apparent is, or at the forefront, is kind of this idea of these memories that we keep putting in bags, the idea of baggage that we come with, and the weight of that we don't necessarily ever let go of. So how can we bury that and continue to carry it?
Entonces, la maleta puede ser una metáfora para muchas cosas. Para nosotros, sobre todo, es la metáfora de que guardas allí todos tus recuerdos, todo tu pasado, y qué haces con estos, dónde los llevas, cómo los guardas al mismo tiempo de que están y son parte de ti.
And I think another important thing is in the live show, the set is pretty stripped down. It's just a coat rack and a suitcase, essentially, and that's it. So for us, we love choosing props or images that many people can relate to. A suitcase is something with most people have, or a bag, most people pack their things that they care about or they want to carry with them, and they take it with them. So however you approach seeing the suitcase on stage, it will relate to every person who sees it, which is very important to the way we make work. We want to make work that's approachable to all audiences.
Y considerando que en escena prácticamente no tenemos objetos, nada, es casi, está vacía prácticamente, solo usamos un objeto para colgar la ropa y prácticamente la maleta. Y la idea es que cualquiera que vea estos objetos puede relacionarse con ellos. Cualquiera puede entender de qué se trata.
I think we go through quite a journey in this piece. And something I find really exciting about the work is when you let go of something, it can be really hard and it can be really exhausting, and it can be, you can really get hurt by it. And we chose to end this piece with a sense of celebration, a sense of letting something go can actually be very joyful, and it can be very helpful to move forward, onto the next ride. So the piece has a quite a journey of ups and downs, and the Nina Simone into the crazy music is just a feeling of like overwhelming sadness into just relief. Yeah, exactly.
Bueno, en esta pieza pues se pasa por muchas emociones muy extremas, y consideramos que pues hay cosas que cuesta mucho trabajo, a veces duele, pero en todo caso pesa un montón dejar ir cosas y eso puede ser también de repente muy cansado. Y vaya, escogimos terminar la pieza con una cosa alegre, como habiéndonos deshecho de una carga, dejando atrás cosas que se tenían que dejar.
Just that we love this work and we're excited to show it. It's really fun.
It's the first evening length that we created, so and we created in the middle of the time, so it feels special to us.
Pues es un gusto especial presentar esta obra. Es la primera que hemos hecho, que es de todo una soirée, toda una tarde. Y es una que disfrutamos especialmente presentar.
I think two things. One is, like we said earlier, we really want our work to be accessible to a very large audience. And not to the theater to see live dance. So I think our thought was, how can we bring it to them in a way that's accessible? That's A.
Bueno, a nosotros nos interesa, como dije hace rato, que la obra le llegue a la mayor cantidad de gente posible, no solo en el escenario, lo que el público que hay allí, sino llegar a más gente, y por eso lo hicimos.
And I think the other thing is that our work is naturally very theatrical, and cinematic in all regards. So it feels like it lives well on film, though we have to alter our creative brains for film and stage. They feel cinematic in both.
También nuestras obras son muy teatrales y muy cinemáticas, lo cual, aunque se tenga que alterar un poco para hacerlo en un medio y en otro, se prestan para eso, como con eso de que nos gusta llegar con claridad, pues.
We also are running or starting to run a conference called Made by Women, and it's through our dance company, but the idea is to highlight other women choreographers, other women filmmakers, just other women leaders, and start to basically uplift other women who are also becoming leaders in the arts.
Tenemos un programa que es como hablado, pero lo canalizamos a través de la danza, en el que tratamos de mostrar o darle voz, proyección a mujeres coreógrafas o mujeres que son líderes en otras disciplinas también, pero principalmente que son líderes en la danza, que son coreógrafas, las tratamos de hacer visibles.
And we run a theater where that has been happening for the past couple of years. So we get to showcase choreographers and showcase film, and we teach as two women teaching at multiple universities. We teach partnering. So we're doing that through schools and then through also professionals in the field.
Y tenemos un teatro en el cual hemos estado haciendo showcases, mostrando obra de todas estas mujeres en la danza o mujeres que hacen cine. Y además damos clases en las que mostramos trabajo de pareja entre mujeres.